In this Swash app review, I'm going to be showing you if you guys can really make money using this Chrome extension. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Swash app is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my #1 recommended strategy that is personally helping me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So let's get started with Swash. So Swash is basically a GPT style website which you guys already must know. So GPT style website means get paid to do certain tasks, surveys, you have to complete certain offers, surveys and certain milestones that you can get to a particular level in a game. If you do all that, you can get paid for every task that you do. So that's how a GPT style website pays. And the cool thing about Swash is that GPT style is not the only way you can make money on this website. You can also make money on this website by displaying ads. So basically what you do is you basically download the Swash app as a Google Chrome extension. You can get an extension right over here. After you get this extension, you are going to be getting certain ads which is going to pop up while you're surfing. Maybe if you're playing video games, or if you're watching on YouTube, or if you're doing certain activities on your Google extension, you're going to be getting certain ads that is going to pop up. So for every ad that they are displaying to you, you're going to be getting a percentage of the ad revenue, which is not a lot of money, which is I think it's quite low. If you would say roughly you're going to be getting about 3 to 5 Swash tokens, which is basically a cryptocurrency that has been launched by the Swash app. So you're going to be getting up to 3 to 5 tokens of these Swash tokens. So if you kind of look at the price of a Swash token in CoinMarketCap, it is about really low. So it's not a lot of money you can expect in the Swash app. It's not a lot of money. So roughly you can be making about this much money for every token. So let's say if you're making about 5 tokens per day, so it is going to equate about 3 cents or maybe up to 3.5 cents. So roughly that's how much you can be making by them displaying ads to you. So 3 cents is not a lot of money that you can make every single day, but considering if the Swash token booms and maybe it reach up to $1, then you can be earning up to $5 per day. But considering the price of Swash token in a bull run like now, I think it's not a lot of money. You are only going to be making about 3 cents. So if you equate that to 1 month, by displaying just ads, you're going to be making about, let's say, about 90 cents a month. So that's not a lot of money, not even up to $1. So I think displaying ad won't be an excellent strategy considering the price of Swash token. But another way you can make money using the Swash app is by doing GPT style tasks. So you are going to be getting certain surveys in this app, and you can redeem these points and convert into maybe gift cards, cash, or even crypto. So you probably know how GPT style website work. So you will get paid. So if you are having to complete a survey, for each survey that you complete, you're going to be getting paid about 10 cents to 50 cents every survey. And if you are playing video games, so you have to download the game and you have to get to certain level, let's say level 10, and you're going to be getting certain points for that. Maybe level 50 you will get certain points or tokens for that. Maybe level 100 to get certain points or tokens, and you can change these tokens into gift cards, crypto, and even cash. So that's how you can make money with these. Then offer walls also is there. You have to complete certain offer walls. Maybe you have to put in your credit card details and maybe these offers are going to be casino offers or gambling offers. You will have to put in your credit card in order for you to get these token, and later you can convert into cash. So that's how this GPT style website works. And the maximum you can be making with the GPT style like Swash is going to be $1 to $2 per day. I really don't think you can make more than that. I'm going to be showing you a website in which you can make a lot more money using GPT style website. I'll show you in a minute. But if you are looking at Swash right over here, the maximum you can be earning is up to $1 to $2 per day. So maybe you're getting 1 or 2 surveys, maybe you're completing a game to level 10. It's going to make you about $1 to $2 per day. So if you're spending roughly 2 to 3 hours per day, I'm pretty sure you can be earning $1 to $2 per day. But it's not a life-changing money. It's not a money that is going to change your life or anything like that. So considering that, I don't think it's worth your time. It's not going to change your life or anything like that. But that's it. They have some excellent reviews again. The review section is all good, but considering the potential for you guys to make money online is very, very less. So I have another website I would like to recommend to you guys, is that it's Free Cash. So Free Cash is also a GPT style website where you complete games, do certain tasks, complete surveys, complete offer votes, and you can get up to $75 per offer. So it really depends. Okay, you are not going to get $75 offer for every task that you do. It's going to be hard. So the maximum you can be earning with a website like Free Cash is $5 to $10. Like if you really grind 5 to 6 hours or even up to 8 hours, you can easily make up to $5 to $10 with a website like Free Cash. But if you look at Swash, you're not going to be earning a lot of money. If you combine the income of display ads and the GPT combined, you're not going to be making a lot of money with Swash. So I think Swash is a little bit a waste of time. And also the threshold for Swash in order for you guys to withdraw is up to 10 Swash tokens. So it's not a lot of token that you can be earning. You can be earning 10 Swash token in about 2 days or 3 days, 4 days maximum. But the problem lies is that you have to be using the Swash app for at least 30 days in order for you guys to withdraw. I consider 30 days as a really long time in order for you guys to withdraw. But considering the low threshold of 10 Swash token is really less, but I think it's going to take a lot of time for you guys to actually withdraw the money. They require you to actually invest about 30 day requirement. So you have to wait till 30 days in order for you guys to withdraw the Swash token. So that's basically the downside I have seen. Overall, I don't think it's worth your time. If you're looking for a GPT style website that's paying a lot of money, I would suggest you guys go with Free Cash. So that's basically it for this video. I personally don't like GPT style website because they don't pay a lot of money. So that's why I stay away from GPT style websites. I hope you guys really enjoyed this review of Swash app. If you're looking for my recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. It's basically a free affiliate marketing journey that has personally helped me to grow from literally $0 to almost $10,000. So if you want to access this free affiliate marketing strategy, you can click the first link in the description. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video.